The battery factories do not want you to find out about this. You may have found yourself in the situation in which the battery of your remote control has run out and you need a new one, but you do not have the right one. Fortunately, there is a simple solution for your remote control to work again with smaller batteries. The first thing you will need is a piece of aluminum foil. Aluminum foil is conductive, which makes it perfect for creating a bridge between small batteries. We will fold the aluminum foil so that it fits in the battery compartment, making sure that we can fill the remaining space so that the battery fits correctly. Once you have your piece of aluminum foil placed there, put a smaller battery as you would do with a normal size one. With aluminum foil, the batteries have a good grip and fit correctly in the compartment. Now test your remote control by pressing one of the buttons. If everything works correctly, you will have solved the problem with a simple trick that works with all batteries. This method is a temporary solution until you can get the right batteries. If you made it this far, leave me the phrase "paper in the control" so I'll know you saw the full video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips.